Welcome to the Best Picks. The best Silverado headlights is probably one of the most important safety features of your 2006 Chevrolet Silverado, ensuring clear visibility on the road, especially during night driving or in poor weather conditions. This video will guide you through the process of selecting the perfect headlights for your truck, covering various factors such as brightness, durability, and ease of installation, helping you make an informed decision based on your specific needs and preferences. Number 5. Autosaver 88 Silverado Headlight Assembly. This headlight assembly is designed to fit various Chevy Silverado and Avalanche models from 2003 to 2007. It's compatible with 1500, 1500 HD, 2500, 2500 HD, and 3500 models. Please check your vehicle's specifications to ensure compatibility. Say goodbye to moisture worries. It features a fully sealed design with one-way vents, preventing corrosion and ensuring reliable performance in any weather. Experience enhanced visibility with its metallic parabolic reflectors. They provide a broader and smoother beam, illuminating the road ahead more effectively. Drive safer with its integrated safety reflector. This feature ensures better visibility to other drivers, improving nighttime safety for you and others on the road. Built to last, it boasts a polycarbonate lens and tough housing, highly resistant to shocks and vibrations. Professional installation is recommended for optimal performance. While generally straightforward, professional installation is always recommended to ensure proper alignment and optimal performance. Bulbs are not included. Please ensure you have the correct HB3 9005 and HB4 9006 bulbs. What we like. This headlight boasts a fully sealed design, ensuring worry-free performance in any weather. Its superior reflectors create a broader, brighter beam for enhanced visibility. If you prioritize safety and reliable performance in challenging conditions, this is the perfect choice for you. Number 4. DNA Motoring Headlight Assembly. These headlights are designed to fit your 2003 to 2006 Chevy Silverado or Avalanche. They offer a direct OE fitment or replacement for a seamless installation. They are compatible with various models, including the Silverado 1500, 2500, 3500, and Avalanche 1500 and 2500. Please ensure your vehicle doesn't have factory cladding. The kit includes a pair of headlights and a pair of bumper lights. Note that bulbs are not included. It's a plug-and-play operation, meaning installation is straightforward. However, professional installation is always recommended. Rest assured, they meet SAE and DOT standards for quality and fitment. They're a great option for enhancing your vehicle's look. These headlights will give your truck a stylish upgrade. They are perfect for show use and require no modifications. What we like. It's a complete headlight kit, including both headlights and bumper lights, for a seamless installation. The plug-and-play design makes installation a breeze. If you value convenience and a hassle-free upgrade, this is the one for you. What people say. Fit and install was perfect. Super easy to install, and headlight quality is great, and especially having good LEDs in them, they're super bright. I've had these on my truck for over a year and they still look brand new. Couple these with LED bulbs and you will be amazed how much better nighttime driving can be. Number 3. DNA Motoring HLOH CS03 Headlights. These headlights are a perfect fit for your truck, giving it an updated look. They're designed for a seamless installation and long-lasting performance. They're compatible with various Chevy Silverado and Avalanche models from 2003 to 2007. Please ensure your vehicle doesn't have factory cladding for proper fitment. The package includes a pair of headlights and bumper lights, ready to install. You'll reuse your existing bulbs for a quick and easy upgrade. These headlights use standard 9005 high beam, 9006 low beam, and 3157A signal bulbs. Bulbs are not included in the package. Built with durable ABS plastic and polycarbonate lens, they are made to last. Enjoy a superior and long-lasting upgrade for your vehicle. Installation is a breeze. These are designed as a direct replacement, simply plug and play for a quick upgrade. What we like. Built with high-quality ABS plastic and polycarbonate lens, it promises lasting durability. It's a direct replacement for your old headlights, ensuring a perfect fit. If you want a durable, easy-to-install upgrade, this is ideal for you. Number 2. Nilight Silverado Headlight Assembly. These headlights are designed for a quick and easy installation. They're a direct plug-and-play replacement, so no modifications are needed. With an IP65 rating, these lights are completely sealed against moisture. Ventilation holes keep them cool and prevent fogging. Experience a clearer, brighter, and longer-range view at night. Drive safer with improved visibility. These headlights meet DOT and SAE compliance standards for your safety and the safety of others. Adjustable beams ensure a perfect fit. The package includes both driver and passenger side headlights. It's a cost-effective solution to replace your old, damaged headlights. What we like. Installation takes only 15 minutes thanks to its plug-and-play design. The completely sealed design prevents moisture damage. If you need a quick, easy, and safe upgrade, this is the option for you. What people say. The Nilight replacement lens were easy and quick to install. They fit perfectly on my Silverado and look great. My old lenses were 20 years old this year and no cleaner on the market could save them. The Nilight lenses brought my front end back to life. My headlights are brighter at night. These new housings give a slick new look to an older truck. They were very easy to change out with my old ones and also increased visibility at night compared to a set that was 20 years old. I just installed all 4 light assemblies on my 2006 Silverado 2500 HD and every piece fit great. Number 1. DNA Motoring HL/LB CSIL03 Headlights. Upgrade your Silverado or Avalanche with these sleek, modern headlights. They'll dramatically improve your vehicle's look and visibility. These headlights are designed to fit 2003 to 2006 Silverado 1500 to 3500 and Avalanche 1500 to 2500 models. Please ensure your vehicle has halogen headlights and no cladding. The set includes a pair of headlights and a pair of bumper parking lights. Everything you need for a complete upgrade. They use 9005 high and 9006 low beam bulbs, but bulbs are not included in this kit. Remember to purchase those separately. Professional installation is highly recommended. These lights include LED daytime running lights that require wiring into your existing system. These headlights will give your truck a stunning new look. They're a great way to modernize your vehicle's front end. What we like. This headlight features stylish 3D LED daytime running lights for a modern look. It comes as a complete kit, including headlights and bumper lights. If you are looking for a stylish and easy upgrade, this is perfect for you. What people say. They make the truck look new again and gave it an aggressive look. The fitment was a direct replacement for the factory lights and it was an easy install. Lights are very bright compared to the older dull ones. Makes an older truck stand out and makes it easier for the driver to see at night. Great headlights, fit well, nice light distribution, they look awesome. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.